Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we're coming to you from beautiful Highlands County, Florida. We are in the subdivision of Sun and Lake Estates here in beautiful Sebring, Florida. The lot right behind me is 8237 Mantua Avenue here in beautiful Sebring, Florida. It's going to be a .23 of an acre. It's 85 foot across the front here and the back, 118 down either side. This makes this a 10,030 square foot buildable lot here in beautiful Sebring, Florida. Taxes outstandingly low at $52.76 a year. That's it. You win this at auction. All you have to do is pay the $52.76 a year to maintain it. There's no time limit to build. There's no maintenance required on this property. As you can see, the easements are maintained by the county. You got a paved road right here. You got power just about 250 yards down the road to you. You got a brand new, newer home right there, neighbor at the end of the street there. It's a beautiful part of the area here in Highlands County. Again, as you can see behind me, it does grade down, grades back up. Got a lot of big pine trees. We're definitely not going to be able to get back on this one. It's definitely just a little overgrown, too much overgrown on the bottom. But we did get a lot of great drone footage for this property. This is a beautiful .23 of an acre buildable lot here. The location, it is a well and septic property as well. So when you start to build, you're going to have to install the well and septic at that time. Again, the location is outstanding. Just 5 minutes to our east, you'll run right into US 27. That is your main thoroughfare that runs north and south through Highlands County. It'll take you right up into the Disney World area, the Orlando area as well. Or you can go south. It'll take you as far as State Road 70. And then once you hit State Road 70, you turn left, you go to the East Coast, you turn right, you go to Port Charlotte area. You're just 3 minutes from the Sun and Lake Golf Club, which is just about 3 minutes to our northeast from this location. So you could physically have a golf cart, drive it right to it, and start playing golf if you wanted to. And we'll get all that in the drive around as well. You're 15 minutes to the west of the Sebring Raceway. So if you like race car driving, they do have the 24 Hours of Sebring. They got some Le Mans races that come here every year, and that's just 15 minutes up the road. It's outstanding complex if you definitely if you're into race car driving. Now the closest airport to this community here is going to be just about an hour up the road from you, and that is Lakeland Linder International Airport. That'll be just north of us, about 1 hour. So you could be here enjoying your property within the hour drive and check out everything that Sebring definitely has to offer. Again, we're at 8237 Mantua Avenue here in Sebring, Florida, .23 of an acre. Let's go ahead and show you the 85 foot across the front of your lot here. We'll see you there. All right, we showed you the 85 foot across the front of your lot here at 8237 Mantua Avenue here in beautiful Sebring, Florida, in the Sun and Lake Estates community. As you can see, this is all of your lot right here, 10,000 square foot buildable land right here. Again, we're not going to be able to get back in there for you because you can see it's just a little bit overgrown, too much underbrush here is just a little too much, but you definitely got a lot of beautiful pine trees, a lot of adult pine trees or older pine trees on this property. You can see a lot of the smaller ones starting to pop up as well, but this is definitely a level lot. Be perfect to build on. You'll see when we drive around, you'll see another quarter acre down there as well, neighbor, and we'll drive past that, show you that property as well. Again, we're at 8237 Mantua Avenue here in beautiful Sebring, Florida. It is a .23 of an acre. It's going to be 85 foot across the front and back, 118 foot down either side. Makes that a 10,030 square foot buildable lot here in beautiful Sebring, Florida. It's taxes on this property are extremely low at $52.76, and it is a well and septic property. So when you build, you will have to install a well and septic system, which is pretty standard in this community. They are closer to the front of the community. They do have the city water. So as time goes on and people build and the urban sprawl happens here, you're gonna slowly bring the city water out to you here at this location. Again, the location is outstanding. You're 5 minutes off of US 27. You're 3 minutes from the Sun and Lake Golf and Country Club, just to our east from here. You're 10 minutes from the north of the Highlands Hammock State Park. So if you like to hike and bike, boat, bird watch, anything like that, you have a beautiful state park just to your south, about 10 minutes from you here. Also, you're just 15 minutes west of the Sebring Raceway. So if you're into car racing, Le Mans racing, open wheel racing, you definitely got a great spot to go there at the Sebring Raceway. If you're going to fly into this community, or excuse me, if you win this at auction, you want to fly in, take a look at the raceway and the Highlands Hammock State Park, maybe play golf at the Sun and Lake Golf and Country Club, because it is open to the public. They have 2 golf courses there as well. They are definitely very busy. We just drove right through there, and there's golf carts everywhere. The weather is beautiful out here in Florida. It is a little bit cooler than normal. It's probably in the 70s, which is outstanding. Also, where was I getting to? Oh, back to the, if you're going to fly into this community, you want to fly into the Lakeland Linder International Airport. That is just north of us here by about an hour. So you could be in this community within an hour, enjoying the golf course, everything this place, the Sebring has to offer within an hour from the Lakeland Linder Airport. Again, we're at 8237 Mantua Avenue here in beautiful Sebring, Florida, in the subdivision of Sun and Lake Estates in Sebring. An outstanding buildable lot here. Good luck at the auction, and we'll see you there.